Let's say you have designed your online store. The website is transparent and rich in quality product description, but it still doesn't attract customers. Keep watching if you want to know how to change it. There are many methods of promoting your website, however, the task isn't a piece of cake. When performing any advertising activities, you should be prepared to constantly follow online trends. The internet is changing every day and it's crucial to be ready for each possibility. To promote your website effectively, you need to be familiar with the basics of marketing and rules of social media platforms used as a promotional tool. SEO is the first step you should take because thanks to it, you'll be able to reach top positions in the search results. To achieve the goal, you need to optimize your online store so it meets Google requirements and corresponds to the expectations of your customers. Apply keywords that should be regularly updated. Remember to create detailed descriptions and take quality product photos to benefit from internal links. Make your website user-friendly. SEO isn't only about being ranked high in the search results. It also ensures proper brand recognition and image. Take advantage of social media. These platforms are used by millions of people across the globe. Facebook and Instagram are especially prepared for advertisements as they are easily noticeable and attractive. Go for a creative advertising campaign as you will surely appeal to a lot of people using the above-mentioned platforms. The ads aren't the only asset of social media. Most of the sites make it possible to set up your own company profile where you can describe your business activity or publish product photos. If someone follows your page, try to post regularly so that users remain engaged. Set up a company blog, which will let you position yourself as an expert in the field. Customers going through your entries will see your commitment. It's a perfect place for describing your product range and activity in detail. Benefit from the potential of the blog and create appealing industry posts. Use it to attract new customers and convince those who hesitate that it's worth choosing your goods. Quality entries can help you gain a competitive edge over your market competitors, gain trust and engagement. Take advantage from Google Ads that allows text, graphic, and video ads. Google Ads can be seen in virtually any online space. Many sites have advertising spots and display banners that redirects to online stores. Remember that Google is the most popular search engine in the world. Use its capabilities to attract as many recipients as possible. As you can see, the online world abounds in tools that enable online stores advertising. Use all the possibilities and promote your website in multiple ways. Don't forget to follow trends, remain involved and take care of your business. This will make it easier to reach even more potential customers. If you want to know more, subscribe to our channel or visit Megamo Co UK for more details.